This is how you can convert your online Scratch project into an exe file or open it as an app. This is extremely useful when you'd like to share the output of your project in a professional format, or if you just don't want someone who's viewing your project to be able to see your code. Here's Flying Cat Game Project, completely ready for conversion. First, download your project as sb3 file and save it in a convenient location. Next, type this link in your browser. After the page loads, select the option File and choose the sb3 file that you just downloaded. A new list of options should drop down below this. Do not change any of these options. Keep them as it is. Scroll down to the environment, choose Electron Windows. If you have Windows and if you have a Mac, then click on Other Environments and choose Electron Mac OS. Within the application settings, change the package name to your project. This is what your exe file or the app will eventually be called. After this, click Package and download as a zip file. Once this has been downloaded, navigate your files and extract it to whichever folder you want. On my Mac, I will move it to Applications folder as it is easy to open it. On Windows, you can put it on Desktop. Now go into the same folder location and select the exe file and click on it. This should give you the exe output and you should be able to run your project the same way. Enjoy your own Scratch game app like any other game app.